Hey everyone, welcome to Tell All Wealth, your go-to source for making money online. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of passive income because who doesn't dream of money flowing in while you sleep, right? We're talking about those incredible opportunities to earn without constantly trading your time for money. We're going to unpack 10 proven passive income ideas that are absolutely crushing it in today's market. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your journey to financial freedom, these strategies offer tangible ways to build wealth without the daily grind. So grab your notebooks, get comfy, and let's unlock the secrets to earning while you sleep or enjoying life on your terms. First up, we're diving into the world of real estate, but with a modern twist, real estate crowdfunding. Now, I know what you might be thinking, real estate requires a ton of cash, and you're not wrong. Traditionally, it has, but with crowdfunding platforms, you can become a become a real estate investor with a fraction of the cost. Think of it like this. You pool your money with other savvy investors to purchase shares of properties. This can be anything from residential rentals to commercial spaces. As the property appreciates in value and generates rental income, you earn your share of the profits. It's a fantastic way to diversify your portfolio and tap into the lucrative world of real estate without the headaches of being a landlord. Remember, investing always involves risk, so do your research and invest wisely. Next, let's talk about putting your money to work in the stock market, but not just any stocks. We're talking about dividend-paying companies. These companies share their profits with shareholders, meaning you get paid simply for owning a piece of the company. It's like getting a paycheck just for being an investor. Now, not all dividend stocks are created equal. We want to focus on companies with a solid track record of consistent dividend payments and strong growth potential. Consider established blue chip companies or those in industries with consistent demand. Remember, investing in the stock market always carries risks, so it's crucial to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and consider consulting with a financial advisor. Ready to step into the world of finance and be the bank? With peer-to-peer lending platforms, you can lend money to borrowers and earn interest on your investment. It's like cutting out the middleman, the traditional banks, and connecting directly with borrowers. These platforms offer a range of loan options, from personal loans to small business loans. You can choose your risk appetite and invest accordingly. Of course, like any investment, there's always a risk of borrowers defaulting, but by diversifying your lending across multiple borrowers, you can mitigate that risk. Make sure to do your own due diligence and explore reputable peer-to-peer lending platforms to determine if they fit your investment strategy. Calling all influencers, bloggers, and anyone with an online presence. Affiliate marketing is your golden ticket to earning passive income by promoting products and services you love. It's simple. You recommend products through unique affiliate links, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. You're simply connecting your audience with valuable solutions they are already searching for. Choose products and services that align with your niche and resonate with your audience for maximum impact. From fashion to tech to travel, there's an affiliate program for every passion. Explore popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate to find the perfect fit for your brand. Okay, let's talk about a classic passive income stream, rental income. Now, this one does require some upfront investment, but once you have a property rented out, it can generate a steady stream of passive income for years to come. Whether you have a spare room, a basement apartment, or an entire property, renting it out can be a lucrative way to offset your mortgage payments or generate additional income. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO have made it easier than ever to list your property and attract short-term renters just be prepared to handle tenant inquiries, property maintenance, and occasional repairs. But hey, that's a small price to pay for the financial freedom that comes with owning income-generating real estate. Are you an expert in your field? Do you have valuable knowledge to share with the world? Creating and selling online courses is a fantastic way to monetize your expertise and earn passive income while helping others. Think about your skills, passions, and the problems you can solve for others. Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a coding guru, or a marketing mastermind. Whatever your area of expertise, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific make it incredibly easy to create, host, and sell your online courses. You can create engaging video lessons, downloadable resources, and interactive quizzes to provide a comprehensive learning experience. Plus, you get to impact the lives of your students while earning passive income. It's a win-win. Calling all wordsmiths, storytellers, and knowledge sharers. Ebooks and self-publishing have revolutionized the publishing industry, giving authors like you the power to reach a global audience and earn passive income from your writing. Whether you're a fiction writer, a non-fiction expert, or somewhere in between, there's an audience eager to read your work. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, make it incredibly easy to self-publish your ebooks and reach millions of readers worldwide. The beauty of ebooks is that once you've written and published your book, it can continue to generate passive income for years to come. So dust off those manuscripts, unleash your creativity, and start building your ebook empire today. Ready to unleash your inner designer and create unique merchandise without the hassle of inventory or shipping? Print on demand is your secret weapon. With print on demand platforms, you can design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, all without holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You create your designs using online design tools, list your products on platforms like Printful or Printify, and they handle the printing, fulfillment, and shipping when a customer places an order. It's a hands-off way to turn your creativity into a passive income stream. From witty slogans to eye-catching graphics, the design possibilities are endless. Tap into your inner entrepreneur, create products that resonate with your target audience, and watch the sales roll in. Do you have a knack for creating engaging video content? Why not turn your passion into passive income with a YouTube channel? From educational tutorials to entertaining vlogs, there's a niche for every interest. Once you've built a loyal following and monetize your channel through YouTube's partner program, you can earn passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. The key is to create high quality content that provides value to your viewers and keeps them coming back for more. So grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and start building your YouTube empire today. Last but not least, let's talk about a long-term passive income strategy that's perfect for building wealth over time: investing in index funds. Index funds are like baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're investing in a diversified portfolio of companies, reducing your risk and potentially maximizing your returns. Index funds are known for their low fees and historical performance, making them a popular choice for both beginner and seasoned investors. Remember, investing always involves risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. However, by consistently investing in index funds over the long term, you're setting yourself up for potential financial growth. And there you have it, my friends, 10 passive income ideas that actually work today. Remember, building multiple streams of passive income is the key to achieving true financial freedom. It's about creating a life where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool to fuel your dreams and aspirations. So don't wait for the perfect time. Start today and watch your passive income streams grow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tell All Wealth, and click the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.